Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and your fitness journey is no different. Today, we're diving into a beginner workout, a perfect starting point to establish a fitness routine that suits you. We'll be covering basic exercises targeting major muscle groups, all easy to follow and tailored for beginners. Modifications will be provided to accommodate different fitness levels, ensuring everyone can participate. So, clear some space in your living room, grab a water bottle, and let's get started on this beginner workout. The first step in any workout is a good warm-up. It prepares your body for the exercises ahead. A warm-up is like the appetizer to your main course of a workout. It gets your body ready, raises your heart rate, and gradually prepares your muscles and joints for the work they're about to do. It's not just about getting warm, it's also about prevention. A good warm-up can help reduce the risk of injuries and improve your overall performance. Let's kick off this beginner workout with 3 simple but effective warm-up exercises you can easily do at home. First up, we have spot jogging. This is as simple as it sounds. Imagine you're out for a run, but you're staying in one place. Swing your arms, lift your knees, and keep your heart rate up. Picture yourself running through a beautiful park or alongside a beach. It's about setting the pace and getting your body into the workout mode. Next is a classic jumping jacks. This exercise is a whole body workout in itself. Start by standing up straight, then jump your feet out while swinging your arms above your head and jump back to the starting position. This not only warms up your legs, but also your arms and core. It's a burst of energy that gets your blood pumping and your muscles working. Last but not least, arm circles. Extend your arms out to your sides, parallel to the floor, and start making small circles. Gradually increase the size of the circles until you're doing full arm rotations. This exercise loosens up the shoulders and prepares the upper body for the upcoming exercises. Remember, the goal of a warm-up is not to exhaust you, but to prepare you. It's about gently waking up your muscles and getting them ready to work. It's the foundation of every good workout routine, especially for beginners. Now that your body is warmed up, it's time to get into the heart of the workout. Moving on to our first set of exercises targeting the lower body. Our focus here is on 2 fundamental movements, squats and lunges. These exercises are fantastic for working those leg muscles and toning the glutes. Let's start with squats, an all-time favorite. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward. Now, pretend you're sitting back into a chair, bending at the knees and hips. Keep your chest upright and your back straight. Push your weight into your heels as you lower down, then push back up to standing. That's 1 squat. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. Now you might be thinking, this is a bit challenging. No worries. To make it easier, you can use a chair for support. Simply sit back and down onto the chair, then stand back up. If you want more of a challenge, try a jump squat. As you stand up from the squat, add a little hop. Just make sure you land softly to protect your knees. Next, we have lunges. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with 1 foot, then lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and return to standing. That's 1 lunge. Aim for 10 on each leg. Again, we have modifications. If lunges are tough, try a reverse lunge. Instead of stepping forward, step back. It's a bit easier on the knees. For an extra challenge, add a knee lift at the end of each lunge. As you stand up, lift the back knee up towards your chest. Both these exercises are perfect for a beginner workout and can be easily done as part of a fitness routine at home. They're simple, effective, and great for building lower body strength. Great job on those lower body exercises. Remember, it's not about speed, but about proper form. Now we're going to focus on the upper body. We're starting with a classic, the push-up. This exercise is a full body movement that uses your own body weight as resistance. It targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Let's break it down. Start in a high plank position. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your feet close together. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push yourself back up. That's 1 rep. If you're a beginner, don't worry. You can modify this exercise to make it easier. Instead of doing a full push-up, try a knee push-up. The movement is the same, but you'll be on your knees instead of your toes. It's less intense, but still effective. For those who want a challenge, try a decline push-up. Place your feet on an elevated surface like a step or a bench. This variation increases the difficulty and targets your upper chest and shoulders more. Next up, we have the bent over row. This exercise targets your back, particularly your latissimus dorsi, rhomboids and traps. It also works your biceps and forearms. To start, stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Bend at your hips and knees and lower your torso until it's almost parallel to the floor. Let the dumbbells hang at arm's length. Pull the dumbbells to your rib cage, then lower them back down. That's 1 rep. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use water bottles or any weighted objects at home. To make it more challenging, increase the weight or slow down the movement. Remember, the key to these exercises is form. Don't rush through the movements. Take your time and ensure you're doing each exercise correctly. It's better to do fewer reps with good form than more reps with poor form. Excellent work on the upper body. It's time to work on our core next. A strong core is essential for overall fitness, so let's work on that. The core is the powerhouse of your body. It's not just your abs, but also includes your obliques, lower back, and even your glutes. Strengthening these muscles not only gives you that desired toned look, but it also improves your balance, stability, and overall performance in any physical activity. Let's dive into our first core exercise, the classic plank. This is a fantastic full body workout that specifically targets your core. Start by getting onto all fours. Place your forearms on the ground with your elbows aligned below your shoulders and your arms parallel to your body at about shoulder width. Extend your legs behind you, tuck your toes under, and lift your body off the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from the top of your head to your heels. Hold this position as long as you can, but aim for at least 30 seconds. If you're a beginner, don't worry. You can modify this exercise by dropping to your knees while keeping the rest of your body straight. If you're more advanced and want a challenge, try lifting one leg at a time while maintaining your plank position. Next up is the bicycle crunch, an excellent exercise for targeting your obliques. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring your knees in towards your chest and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Try to touch your right elbow to your left knee while straightening your right leg. Then switch sides. It's like you're pedaling a bicycle. For beginners, you can keep one foot on the ground at all times. For those seeking a more intense workout, try extending your legs fully and increasing the speed of your pedals. Remember, the key is to maintain proper form and control, not speed. Fantastic job on the core exercises. Let's move on to our cool down. Now it's time to cool down, which is as important as the workout itself. Let's start by gradually slowing our heart rate with a hamstring stretch. This exercise is essential in reducing muscle tension and increasing flexibility. You've worked those muscles hard today, and this stretch is a nice way to say thank you to them. It's like a soothing lullaby for your hard-working hamstrings. Next, we'll move into a chest stretch. This is a fantastic way to open up the front body and relieve any tension in your shoulders and chest. It's as if you're embracing the world, letting the universe know you're ready to take on anything that comes your way. This stretch is not just about physical recovery, but also about preparing your mind for the challenges ahead. The cool-down phase is akin to the closing chapter of a well-thumbed book. It gives your body the time to transition from a state of high energy to a state of rest and recovery. It's a gentle reminder that every intense activity should be followed by a period of calm and relaxation. Well done on completing this beginner workout. Remember, consistency is key in fitness. Every step you take on this journey counts, so don't underestimate the power of a regular workout at home. Keep up the good work and relish in the strength and resilience you're building. See you in the next video.